Okay, so we are now well and truly into second week. All the introductions with Naushad and everything are over, and we're finally getting into work. Mornings as usual are now just riyaz. It's just about voice and movement now. It's just about riyaz, practice. Those are now skills given to us, and we need to now hold on to them and hone them and develop them to be used in the performance later on. With Naushad today, we did something really interesting. We examined how breath controls emotion, because what happens normally in life is that we feel a certain way and our breath automatically changes. And what we were doing today was we were trying to fabricate that same effect, but instead of crying to control our breathing, we were breathing the way a person would when you would cry, and to see if we could actually get into that. And it is amazing the kind of transformation you can have if you just control your breathing. I mean, for anyone who is who has problems with an emotion, I just suggest you examine the way the body breathes when you're in that feeling, because wow, we went from laughing to crying to coughing to wheezing if you're asthmatic to throwing up, and just everything, just because we controlled our breathing, everything felt amazing. We went for a special treat today. We saw Tomba's play, Peba, directed by his father, Kanhaiya Lal, and to see him do on stage everything that he teaches us in class was it really brought everything together, because the way he tells us about how breath in movement is controlled, and how even though he was really playful, you could still see the precision in everything that he was doing. And the play itself, even though it was in a language that we didn't understand, but it was fantastic. It was just a different experience altogether. And when we watched the play, we actually understood, at least I understood, a lot about how everything has to be controlled, how, as Tomba had mentioned earlier during interplay, body, voice and mind of the person comes together so that you can portray your character on stage. Again, with Naushad today, we had our observation pieces. We had to add more layers to it, and he just came in with more suggestions as to how we could further embellish our characters, and we just want to work forward to developing everything that we do. Basically, the second week is kind of more of do-it-yourself, because the onus is now on us. The first week was more about the instructors pushing us, but now the onus is on us. We have to find the inspiration, we have to go into the details, we have to be more precise, and that is very exciting feeling, and I'm really looking forward to explore that.